Our web app just got created. Let's go ahead and verify if that exists in the console. Well, we just verified with the GUI. We know that it's right here, but you really don't have to go into the console and verify. You can just verify everything from the PowerShell. So get is the command. Is my resource group created? Well, yeah, you can just run this command called get-azure rm resource group, right? And that will just go ahead and is there a typo here? Yeah, resource group. Yeah, get-azure rm resource group. That tells the Azure console to show up all the resource group we have. There you go. I've got one resource group, that's prod, located in East Coast. Let's list down all the web apps. So I'm going to say get-azure rm web app and run that. So it should show all the properties of the web app. The name of the web app is new applications 1-to-1, located in the resource group called prod in the East Coast, and is running. It's running, right? So you may not want to look at all these attributes, but if you want to look at just few, then you may want to use this pipe symbol to send the output of this command as an input to another command called select-object. You can either use select-object or just simply say select, and then you have to type all the attributes that you're looking for. So state is one of the attributes that I want. Then probably a repository-name. You just have to pick up these attributes from this list. So I'm looking for repository-name, and then the location attribute, and then the resource group as well, right? So I'll say resource group, and let's execute and see what we'll get. Well, you get just these, because now this time you're not looking at all this garbage output which you may not even need, but just the attributes that you're looking for, right? Now if you're looking at it in the form of a report in a CSV or Excel file, you may pipe it out further and then use export-csv commandlet to export to the path and put that somewhere in wherever you want, like C drive, and say output.csv or something. And once you execute that, it's going to take the output, all of it, and put it in this output.csv. Next time, if you open this file with Notepad, or rather, I'll just open that with Excel and say output.csv. Open that up. Well, yeah, hit enter. So it should open the Excel sheet with exact this value. There you go. So it has the state, repository name, location, and the resource group, which is exactly the output. This is really handy if you would like to run PowerShell script at the same time, get the output of that, and then you may want to store it for historical purposes or for future investigation or troubleshooting purposes. This really is handy.